Here we are.
Hi, yeah, we are back at the King's Treasure mystery box, and yeah, this is the Pokémon booster box. I'm hoping they're booster boxes. They look like they're going to be the booster boxes. 10,000 yen.
They people have really tried.
Yeah,
It's not as bad as that one.
Yeah, all sold out. Well, not all sold out, but so yeah, here we have a 10,000 yen note.
Nice and crispy from the machine.
Yeah, here goes, folks. Give me a thumbs up for luck. Don't know what one I'm after.
Whichever one comes out. If one comes out. I still say number 13, but
13.
yeah,
Lucky 13.
that's not number 13. Oh, it goes backwards, doesn't it? No, that would be number 13 if it goes that way.
Oh, that way, yeah.
I was just counting from the bottom because I'm English. It sounded quite solid.
Okay. Not sure what that is. Oh, okay.
You have a Pokémon card. You have one card.
One card.
Or is it? With the numbers. Wow.
Okay.
That. Let's get on this, folks. And if we stop shaking for a moment, it is an SSR.
Yeah, super rare.
Well, then I don't think you've done too badly for your 10,000 yen. And we've got a free DVD case out.
And a free DVD case, yes. Well, there you go, folks. That's what, see?
That's what happens when you gamble.
Exactly.
Bye! Bye!